Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix mobile data issues in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video friends. To fix it, first you have to check whether your SIM card is properly working or not. So you have to adjust or remove it and then insert. Then click on this aeroplane mode for 10 seconds at least, and then your mobile internet will be refreshed. Then turn off after 10 seconds, and then you have to click on settings, click on search, right here reset options, and as you can see in the reset options here, it is reset mobile network settings. So after doing that setting, it will refresh your network settings and there will be no issues. Somehow it will not work, so you can just restart your device and then it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.